So you're going live on Facebook, doing a live stream, and you deliver that perfect soundbite, like that perfect point, and you want to be able to grab that segment and use it in social media across all different platforms and use it again on Facebook and really highlight that clip. Well, that is what Facebook clips are for, and we're going to dive all into what Facebook clips are and how you can use them in this video. Hey everyone, Nick Bolkowski here. Thank you for tuning in. And on this channel, we talk all about live streaming and videography in order to help grow your business. And today we're going to be looking at Facebook Live clips. This is going to allow you to take a section of that longer live stream, break it up into a smaller segment so that you can repost that or share it out on Facebook in more ways. So to get started, here we are on the Facebook Live Producer. You can go to Facebook Live Producer by going to facebook.com/live/producer. That's going to get you inside here, and I'm going to be going live on just kind of a test page that I have. So let's go, and first of all, you're going to notice up top here, there's nothing mentioning clips. You don't see clips anywhere at all across the top here, because this is where some of the other features are. You see polls and questions, which I do have videos going deep dive into those features. So if you want to check that out, be sure to go over to our playlist on getting started with Facebook Live. But let's jump in, and we want to take this stream live. So I'm going to enable manual mode, confirm because I had a scheduled playlist, and then we're going to manually start this video. All right, we are now live on Facebook. You can see I am in producer right here. And I just want to point this out. First of all, is that you're going to notice that in our little preview, it's always going to be delayed because the Facebook stream is delayed by about 20 seconds of what I'm actually saying here in real life versus on the live stream. So now if we go up to the top again, we're going to see stream. We're going to see the same things up here, same tabs as before, but now there's a new one, which is video clipping. So let's jump into video clipping. And there's a section right here that talks about clips from your live video. And then there's a section here to create a clip. What you're gonna notice is that you can actually go ahead and create a clip while you're live from the last 60 seconds of your live video. And you'll get a notification when that's created. So let's do this intro example as our title. And let's just go ahead and tap create clip. And there you go, we are processing it right now. You can see we've created a clip from this video that is from this time segment. It is 60 seconds long, from 48 to 148 right there. And that is exactly how you create that clip. And then if you want to publish it, you can go here and click publish and share to a page. And we're gonna go ahead and click this page. And then I can go do an example of a live stream clip. And then I can go ahead and hit share. Go ahead and hit share, and it's going to publish that post right there from the live stream, or right there onto your Facebook wall. So if we go back over there and jump over to the page and kind of view it as a visitor, you can see there is a live stream happening right now that's going on. But then you can see our clip is right here. It's again 60 seconds long, example of a live stream clip. So that is showing that clip right there, which is really cool. So this is going to be a great way as you're live, you can grab those clips, grab those segments of the last 60 seconds of whatever was just said, and post those as clips later or even during the middle of your live stream. So this is really helpful if you have multiple people working on a stream. You could have one person doing just that the entire time, grabbing those special segments. But again, this is also something you can do if you're paying attention, ready to go, and have this stream up and ready to go. Now, you are able to do this after the fact as well. And so you can do the in-the-moment clips like this on your personal profile as well as any sort of business page. Now this next part you can't really do on your personal profile, but you can do in any page that you manage. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the live video. All right, so we've ended the live video, and now I am in the publishing tools area of my Facebook page. So what you're gonna notice is you can go down here to Video Library, and you're gonna see that clip that we made right here. So that's the intro clip. But then we also have our full Facebook Live test stream here that we did. So let's jump in there and do Edit Video. Okay, so this is the full live stream. Now, I'm not necessarily going to mess with this right now, but if I scroll down here, you can see Editing Video Clipping. Clip your live video. So if I jump in there, I can then go and I can find a segment, say towards the end here, and we're just gonna go right here. All right, so let's say we wanna create a clip right out of here. I'm just gonna go Add Clip, and then I went ahead and created that clip. And let's go then and hit save. And then now we just got a notification that a clip was successfully generated. So let's go back to our video library. So we're in our video library, and you can see right here is that clip that we made from that. It's not titled or anything, so I'd have to go back in, edit that video, and then example, let's do example clip. I can't type today, clip 2. And then I can do the same test clip post 2. So nothing fancy, but I can go ahead and add titles, optimize all of that, everything, and then all you have to do is scroll on down and you can hit save. So we went in and edited that clip, and now I'm gonna click on the title. And then this comes up right here, and I can create post with video down in the bottom here. And then you're gonna go ahead and optimize this, and then hit next and publish now. And it is processing. We'll be notified when it finishes processing. I'm gonna jump over to, all right, so now we're back on the page looking at it as a visitor, and you can see right here is that clip ready to go and published. So clips are just a really amazing way to start repurposing and reusing some of your Facebook live streams and pulling out those key highlight points that you want to be sure someone didn't miss just because they didn't want to watch your 20-minute long Facebook Live. So highly recommend you go check out clips and start using those. And if you're looking for additional ways to learn how to repurpose your Facebook Lives, I have a video right here that you can go check out and watch that'll dive deeper into a few different ways you can repurpose those Facebook live streams. And also, if you are looking to really get started with Facebook Live, I have a full playlist series right here that I'll link into the description as well that you can check out, that's gonna walk you through all the features of Facebook Live. So until next time, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.